Welcome to Assignment 10, Budget Items Table. So in this, we're going to be taking a look at how can you use a table to align text, change the color of the lines, etc. Some people really frown on this method, but it can be very useful, especially if you're dealing with large tables of data that you need to put into a document. So let's scroll down to the bottom. You'll notice I put it all in as a diagram, so you're going to have to type this. So first thing we want to do is insert our table. So we go insert, we want a table, and you can just highlight. So it's nice and visual. I want 2 wide and 8 tall. Now for my title at the top, we have personal and family budget items. So what I can do is highlight those 2 cells. I want to center my title, and it won't do that if I've got this broken into 2. So I right click on that. I want to merge those 2 cells, and it turns them into 1. So now I can write in what I need to write in. So we have personal / family budget items. And my next line down, I want to have income and expenditures. You can do the alignment, centering, underlining, color changes, etc. without any difficulty. So I'm not going to get into that. What I do want to do is talk about how we can make these lines invisible. We don't want to see all of those lines, but we want it to use it to line things up. So what I can do is I can highlight the entire table, and I can then start to go into my different colors. So let's just make sure I do it the way I showed you here. So you'll see right click on the square. So again, highlight the table, and we can move the table around using this icon up here. This time we want to do the borders. So borders and shading. Now we can actually go with none, or we can set the color to white. So when click none, automatically sets the color to white. So when I click OK, the table disappeared. However, if you highlight it, you can actually see marks showing you what the lines are. So when I center my title here, it will center it on the page. When I highlight these 2 and hit center, it centers them in their column. So that way it keeps everything lined up. I can use tabs in there. So you'll actually see this mark in the middle that indicates that we have 2 columns. One column in the white over here, a second column in the white over here. So please type in the rest of the information and follow the formatting before you turn it in. Good luck with your assignment.